Hey guys, welcome back to channel how to add subtitles to Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, you will just have to drag any of video you want to add subtitles. Then we will move in this top window option, just click, just tap on it text, and then we will just have to tap transcribe sequence, just tap. So right over here, you will just have to modification or customization you called. You will just select it, the audio on track, mix or audio one. We will suggest for mix, and you will just have to select the language from here, and we will suggest English, or you will just have to transcribe in point out point only, merge output with existing transcription, or you will just recognize when different speakers are talking. So just tap on it. When you just all the settings are modified, just tap on it. After completing, you will be able to see the subtitles on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching.